Okay, hi, welcome back to Apocalyptic Chow with the Good Greek. You can find us on Facebook. Apocalyptic Chow has its own Facebook page and the Good Greek also has its own Facebook page, and on YouTube you can find me, the Good Greek. We're going to make this a thing though with Apocalyptic Chow because this is fun, getting ready for the apocalypse. If you want to tell me any recipes that you want to make out of your apocalyptic food, like I've got a really good corned beef bolognese, just saying, put it in the comments, okay? So I'm just going to show you where I'm up to with the recipes so far. So we've got our apples that we've cooked in mulled wine. So it's got, you know, oops, it's got the cinnamon and the cloves, and I put a little bit of agave syrup in there to sweeten it up. And I'm going to use these to layer the pie. I'm going to make a couple of pie tins, pie dishes, and yeah, I'll try and make it look pretty. Here's my mix, which is ready to be kneaded. But like I say, you just mix flour and oil or flour and butter to get that, and then you can make your own short crust pastry. Okay, try not to let it get too hot. It's better if it's cold, it's more flaky. Okay, and what else? Here's my beans that I'm gonna be making 2 vegan stroke vegetarian dishes. Oh, I've done it again. Dishes out of them. So there you go. Okay, so I've got some white beans and some, I don't even know, azuki beans I think. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a salad out of half of these and this Greek dish. Now what I've done, I've cooked it, it's been overnight for 24 hours soaking in water, and then I've cooked it for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour, depends. And then I've added some vegetable stock and some olive oil and a little bit of red wine in there as well. And yeah, you'll see what I'm going to do with that. And one more thing, this. Dumplings. Dumplings are awesome. Look. Yay, exactly. Dumplings are awesome. So we're gonna make some dumplings in a future episode. So these are ginkali, they're Georgian ones. I'm going to make these, and we're also going to make a few other random ones, maybe some gyoza or something. Because that's, you can stuff anything in that. So if it's really apocalyptic and you're eating, I don't know, roadkill, it's good in a gyoza probably. Anyway, see you soon. Welcome back. I just want to take this opportunity to do a little shout out to all the kids at Ruislip School, City of London Academy, and a bunch of other schools that I've taught at. They're always commenting on my Facebook, my YouTube videos, and I just want to do a shout out because they're always asking for that. So shout out to you. Now we're going to continue with some apocalyptic cooking. So I just want to show you this. What I've done is, oh, I can't show you that. Yes, I can. That is my pie dish, ready for some apples. So I'm going to lay in the apples like so. Very pretty, styly. Okay? Sorry about the apocalyptic nature of this cooking show. There it is. Another thing I wanted to say was this pie is a great little thing to bake as a family and to eat as a family. There's enough of it. And the, sorry, I'm looking at my notes, the beans, probably one for isolation, that one. And the salad, you can have that any situation, I think. Got to keep your nutrients up, you know, your greens and things. It's the apocalypse. After all, might all be gone soon, you never know. And then lastly, what's the other thing I'm making? Oh yeah, the dumplings. It's a great little couple thing, isn't it? Very romantic. Sit there making dumplings together while you're passing the time. So yeah, anyway, back in a tick. I just want to show you this. So it's my now quite pretty, hopefully you agree. cake, pie, my apples. So I'm gonna put some more pastry on top of that, like a traditional pie, you know, like the cartoons. But you could also put in like a jelly top. So you could actually just get jelly, put that on top, but you could do argol jelly or whatever and do a sort of tart. Could be prettier. Anyway, I'm gonna do it like a pie. Yeah. Oh, one more thing. Here's my leftover mulled wine. There isn't much in there, but there is enough for a sauce. My leftover mulled wine and apple sauce that it was all cooking in. Okay, so I'm going to use that because it's the end of the world and got to keep reusing. Don't throw stuff away. That's what's got all the nutrients and stuff. So I'll definitely want that. I'm going to turn it into a little sauce for my pie. It should be nice. Okay, see you in a bit. Welcome back. I have got the Greek dish ready because it is the good Greek after all. So this is now basically fasolia, which is just beans, but comes in loads of different types. So, you know, even like the long green beans, that's fasolia. That's a different type of fasolia, and it's probably got a different name that I don't know. Someone was going to put it in the comments, I bet. But what I've done, it's cooked in stock and white wine, olive oil. I've added a bit of salt just to flavour it, and then some pepper. And what we're going to do is going to add a lemon, the juice I mean. That's going to give it this lovely extra zing sort of thing going on. And the beans and the stock and the white wine, the red wine, give it this very umami, meaty sort of flavour. So the two together really work well because they're a bit apart. So it's like earthy and then zingy with the lemon. Okay, so good little tip. It's like, that's why sweet and sour is good. Or what else? There's other ones. I can't remember right now, but anyway, you can think of them. But the point is, things that are far apart, they often go well together, weirdly. Okay, so I'm just gonna give that a stir and check it. I will add a little bit more lemon because I want it quite lemony. Very cleansing lemon, full of vitamin C, good for the virus or any virus. Supports your immune system. It's always a good thing to make sure you keep in your diet. So there we go. Let's just check that. Okay, so that's good. I'm now going to add some fat leaf parsley, chopped. Just going to quickly chop that up. I'm growing that chopped fat leaf parsley because I like to be ready for the end of the world. No, it's just really good for the soul to grow stuff. And there you go, 3 herbs, fresh. And fresh herbs, really good for you. Okay, so hi. That's really good. Really nice. Meaty, lemony, refreshing, completely vegan, sustaining. It's really good. Alright, I'll be back. Hi. You having a good time at home? We're having a good time. I think this is great. Like I said, might be excellent. Everyone at home, doing the important things. Cooking, looking after yourself, not working. It's not important. Life, that's what's important. Loved ones, and looking after them, staying inside and all of that. That's what's important. And good food. Anyway, here's my salad. I'm gonna do, well, that's an empty bowl, but, ooh. Ooh. By the way, you can tell a little bit of, got my equipment out, upping my game a little bit. Right, that's gimbal. It's awesome, oh, but it's a bit counterintuitive. Okay, so this is my salad. Come on, come on. Yeah. All right, so I've got. You can't see it, but here is some mint. Very important, the mint. Some celery, and I've got the leafy bits because that's the flavour. Just some romaine lettuce, also a flavourful lettuce. I've got some little bit leftover pepper, just shoved in there, and some cucumber. Okay, I'm gonna stick in some nuts. You can't see that at all. There you go. Told you it's apocalyptic cooking. Seeds and nuts, protein, good for you. And then I've got my beans. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait. I'll show you in a sec. Hang on. Sorry. Just shovel this in the bowl. Okay. You see that? Yes. I'm gonna add my beans. Yes. Great. I'm gonna mix it all together, as is traditional. The flavour is up to you. You can do lemony with this, like a lemony dressing, or like white wine and a bit of olive oil, or I'm going to do balsamic. Nice bit of balsamic in there, and I've got some nice quality olive oil, bit of flavour, quite a lot. Screw it, it's Apocalypse. Okay, and I'm gonna whack in my seeds. This is probably an awful shot. Sorry. Whack in my seeds, and also I've like dried some kale like in the oven, and I'm gonna add a bit of that, which is also got some kind of like soya sauce and what else? Bit of vinegar and some sesame seeds as well. So I'm just going to chuck that in because it's good for you and a bit of different colour in there. So yeah, just mix that all together. There you go. It's really healthy. Got all your food groups. Lots of vitamins and nutrients, protein, bit of carbs, bit of fibre, so on and so forth. So, hi. Oh. Hi. Okay, so this is my salad, which is nice. Important to keep your greens going. There is my pie with my sauce. And I put in a bit of lemon rind. I'm feeling a bit lemony today, clearly. I put in a bit of lemon rind in there, so, and some icing sugar. So what's in there is, shut up oven, what's in there is the red wine, mulled wine sauce from the apples cooking, and a bit of, God, that's just come back to me. Hi. And a bit of this is what happens when you drink in the day. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, mild wine, icing sugar, some lemon rind. That's going to be my sauce for the apple pie. So I'll take a picture, maybe, and show you what it looks like when we eat it. But I think that's enough for the filming today. This is the beans, which is finished. So I've got a really nice, like, vegan. It is vegan. I said vegetarian vegan. It is vegan. All of this. Meals. I had a couple of requests for this, by the way. Shout out to Jessie O'Dodo. And Sammy, her lovely boyfriend. So, yeah. Also, quick shout out while we're here to everyone at all the pages I'm sharing this at. So fun employed, I'm stuck at home and I still want to have fun, isolation, rave, station, something like that. Isolation, something, bubonic, basement, there's loads of them. But I just love this. Everyone, I love it so much. Everyone's on the internet being creative. It's so cool, and we're all meeting up. It's so wicked. I went to Morning Glory rave this morning. It's just out of this world. And there's been so many fun nights playing quizzes and things with friends. I think I want to do a music quiz tonight if anyone's up for it at 9 o'clock. Maybe not. Maybe it's probably not enough time to get ready. But anyway, if you want to need to cook anything or whatever, please put in the comments. You can go to Apocalyptic Chow, which is what this is all for really. Apocalyptic Chow, really good page. Got loads of good food going on for the apocalypse. And you can go to my page, The Good Greek. I'm also on YouTube. Been on there for a while. And yeah, shout out to all the people I know. Hope you're enjoying these. We're going to do dumplings next, but that's another episode. See you later. All the best. Bye.